Morning, Mr. Mendoza. Here's my resume.
Thank you.
Uh, Thank you for entertaining my request, and I really appreciate it.
So, what made you apply in our facility?
At first, back when we were in college, second year, we have an activity which is the field exposure. We search for several PT clinics and facilities, and we were astonished at your facility. Then we went there. After that, the service was really fascinating because they entertained us while waiting. And after that, they gave us a simple tour. Not only by that, the facilities and the environment was smoke free and it was really clean. I think most of the apparatus or equipments were complete, I guess.
So, next question. What are your different skill sets for the job?
Uh, my skills, well, I'm not really confident with that, but I really have an experience, which is the internship, but I think that's not enough for me to help other people. So that's why I want to enhance my skills on your facility, and I want to learn more about on how you deal with patients.
So, have you ever had any problems with authority figures?
Uh, of course not, because it's okay for them to give us some jobs, example, works, because it will be appropriate for us. It will be a positive effect because we're going to be enhanced. Not only by that, we will be a good followers. If we are a good follower, then we will be a good leader.
So, next question. Do you have any drug-related problems or alcohol problems in the past?
Of course not. I'm smoke free. Well, maybe I already drink some wines. Is that okay? That's
Okay.
all.
Sure, that's fine.
Thank you.
How would you treat your coworkers in a stressed environment?
It's like in playing games. Sometimes they become my leader, or I become their assistant.
So you would
Some-
never consider yourself a leader?
Yes. When when there are times that they don't know what they are going to do. For example, in math, I help them. I'm only good at when I was in high school and college. I don't know.
So, okay, so next question is, what do you think is your greatest weakness?
Greatest weakness is confidence.
Why?
Because there are times that I really don't know what to do and I don't help myself because I don't trust myself. Not only by that, there's some events that happen on personal things that make me help that I cannot help myself, and I need some friends that could help me. Something like that.
So, if you have a problem with your confidence, why did you accept this job if you know that you will be in front of many, many people?
Well, that's what I like most. Challenges, because these challenges helps me to improve not only my confidence but also my ability to think and to help other people. And by that, if I could help other people, then I could also help myself on something like that.
If you were ever hired, do you think you can help with your skill sets? How?
I think I will first be familiarized with your facilities. And I want to talk about those veterans, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And I want to be with them, and also I want to be friends with them. That's all I can say about it.
So, well then, we'll consider you as a candidate for the job and we'll just contact you if you get the job.
Okay, thank you very much.